Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna jump right on into the video because I got a new wax kit. Okay, and this wax kit is by Bestidy. You can get it on TikTok, but I got it from my local. It's like a I don't know, like it's not a thrift store, but it's not like it's just a store, and everything is like cheap. Anyways, I got this whole set for $9.99. $10. It comes with 5 wax beads. I didn't know what it was until like I actually bought it and I came home and I looked on TikTok, and all the reviews were really good. So we're about to just get into it to see all the stuff that it comes with. Okay, so the wax warmer comes in a package or wrapped up like this. You just undo it, take it out, and this is what we have. I'm gonna be using this today, y'all, because my facial hair is out of control. Not finna lie. Thank God for wax. I messed around and shaved my mustache. Grew back in like 2 days. No, that's why we waxed. In the inside, it comes with 2 types of oil. Well, 1 type of oil. And this is the after wax treatment. So after wax treatment, it comes with this, which I don't really know what that's for. It comes with a pre-wax treatment, which is green, and then it comes with a little tray in the inside. You put it in there just like that. So it also comes with this little spatula to stir. Sorry, I saw somebody on my back camera and I had to check it out. Anyways, it comes with this spatula to stir up the wax. It also comes with wax warmer protection, which I think this actually goes in the wax warmer. It comes with some gloves. I think these are gloves. Yeah, these are gloves. So wax warmer protectors and then the gloves. It comes with a box like this with the different wax beads in it. It also comes with wax sticks and then the different types of beads. We got one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a good amount of beads. I'm gonna use the green ones today. I'm gonna probably use up all the light ones first before I use the dark ones, because I just like to see the hair on the wax thing. Not gonna lie. But I'm currently watching the haves and the have-nots, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. And it got me in a chokehold. So the rest of this video is gonna be voiceover. But stay with me because I'm gonna show y'all how I prep my face and do all of the things. But right now, I gotta finish watching haves and have-nots. And yeah, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna first do is pour some wax beads in the little wax cup. I really poured too much wax, but that's neither here nor there. Now I'm gonna put the protector around the wax warmer and then put the wax cup inside of the wax warmer. Now to get it hot fast, I put the temperature on like 180 or whatever, and then I washed my face with my turmeric facial cleanser. But after, y'all, the wax started to melt, I turned it back down to like 155. I kept it between 155 and 160 because you don't want to burn your face. If you're sensitive, you may even want to go down like lower than that. But anyways, I tested it on my arm first to see how the texture of it was. Once it was good and melted, and look, you see how fast it's dripping? That means it's too hot. You need a slower drip. So I let it sit, let it cool down a little bit, turn the temperature down, and then I put some of this pre-wax on my lip and my under chin, and I just rubbed that in. It felt really good. And then I always go in with baby powder because baby powder helps grip the hairs, and baby, we need all the grip. Okay. So I get the wax on the stick, blow it a little bit just to cool it off. And then I go ahead and put two little, you see how it's dripping? It's too hot. Okay. I guess I got tough skin. It ain't really burned me. But anyways, don't do that, okay? Do it at a lower temperature. But anyways, once I let the wax sit, it's time to pull it off. And yeah. Now, what I noticed is my upper lip did not hurt using this wax. Okay, it hurt, but it didn't hurt that bad. Like, it was very, very manageable when it comes to my upper lip. I'm going to show y'all the wax that I used to use toward the end of the video. But that wax, it was good. But, it hurt my upper lip so bad that I could barely do it. But this is very, like, gentle. But it has a really good grip. Like, it was gripping them hairs. Okay. And I'm happy it was gripping them hairs because, girl, I really needed it. So once I was done waxing my upper lip, I just went ahead and cleaned it off with my washcloth, and then I put some after wax on it. And y'all, this made it really, really soft. Like this, I like the pre-wax and the after wax. I like that it comes with that. Now I'm just gonna get some powder, put it over the rest of my face, well, my sideburns and my chin. And yeah, I'm just going to rub it in really, really, really good, because I need those hairs to get gripped. I'm going to blow the wax, apply it down on my sideburn or the side of my face, because it's really the side of my face, not my sideburn, so let's not play. And then I go ahead and put it under my chin as well. Now, when you're doing this, you want to, you don't want a thin application. You need it to be like thick medium so that when you pull it off, it all comes off in one section like this, and it doesn't come off in like 2-3 thin sections. So you want to make sure the wax is kind of thick on your face. As it starts to dry, just push it into your skin a little bit with your hand so that you can make sure it grips the hairs. Now, you see how I'm turning it and then pushing it in my skin? That's the correct way to apply the wax. I learned that off TikTok. Okay. I be seeing watch waxing videos. I don't know why I like to watch people getting waxed, but I do. And I also like to watch carpet cleaning videos and car detailing videos. But that's neither here nor there. This wax is very easy to use, y'all. Very painless. I would say it's good for sensitive skin because it's just very, very gentle on the skin. Like, very, very gentle. Does anybody else like waxing videos? Let me know down below because I love a good waxing video. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking because I'm about to hop back in and actually talk in the video. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all. So now I'm going to use this after spray and just rub it in. It can be used to remove the excess wax. So the wax comes off easier. So I'm going to apply some more spray and just rub it in because this is supposed to be good for your skin as well. The back of it says that it's made with lavender oil. It reduces redness after wax and moisturizes your skin. So, and then this, which is the pre-wax treatment, it says to reduce the appearance of irritation, redness, and bump reaction. And this is made with tea tree oil. So, y'all, no lie, I like this. Like, I love this. I'm going to show y'all what I normally use. So this is the wax I started off with, and I'm gonna keep it on hand because I probably still will use it whenever I run out of like this wax that I just used. But I like this new wax, y'all. The pain is like not as bad as using this wax, especially on my upper lip, like, y'all. And look, it pulled out so much hair. Like, didn't I tell y'all I was hairy? Didn't I tell y'all? Look at all that hair that it pulled off. And then here's another strip. Like, honey, PCOS will not let you live a good life. Like, you gonna have to wax or shave. But my face feels so good, y'all. Like, I like this stuff. I do recommend it. Like, get on TikTok shop, get on Amazon, get somewhere, your nearest, I don't know, online store, and get this wax because I honestly like it. This is my new favorite wax. Like, this is my chin. This piece is right here. Look, girl, my face feels so good. Y'all, I'm so hyped. Like, my face feels so good. It's like when you get your hair washed, like, that's how I feel with a fresh wax. Come on, y'all. And the grip this wax has is top tier. And what's the name of it again? Bestidy wax, hard wax. I do. And the thing say for professional use only. I ain't a professional. I'm just saying. Will I wax somebody else? Absolutely not. But for me, y'all, oh my God. 10 out of 10. Like, I really don't have any complaints other than this wax is taking a long time to cool off. So I can't really peel it out of here. But I'm happy they got this little squishy thing, because it's going to make it easier to get this wax out once it cools down. You see how easy this is? Like, once it cools, just pull it out to clean. See? So, yeah, has a good smell to it. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. I do recommend this wax kit, okay? It's good. My face feel good. I feel good. And now I'm about to go paint. So I will talk to y'all later. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and bye. Wait, and is that it? Yeah, that's it. Bye.